Hi guys, Roo here from Prepared Camping. Today I'm just going out for a little walk in the woods, and I'm going to be showing you some bits I carry in my haversack or bread bag, whichever one you want to call it, that I think here in the UK could qualify as your 5 C's. You know, the tools and equipment and the things that you'd need, the 5 essential things you'd need for short-term survival if anything went wrong. Things that you wouldn't be able to manufacture or just find lying around, but that you could make yourself comfortable with to survive if necessary. So, I'll find a spot and I'll run through them quickly. I mean, they're going to be slightly different maybe to what you'd have, but that's good. It'd be a shame if we were all the same, wouldn't it? So yeah, I'll find a spot, have a cup of tea maybe, and have a quick run through. Cheers. The quick 5 C's, as outlined by the excellent Dave Canterbury in his book Bushcraft 101. Number 1, very important here in the UK because it rains a lot, cover. Got this waterproof poncho. It's got grommets here on the corners. So you could also use that as an emergency shelter or wrap it around your sleeping bag style. So, very important. Number 1, cover. Number 2, cutting tool. This is a Conda bush law. I've had this for a while. Great value for money. Excellent little sheath that comes with it and everything as well. Great knife. Number 3, Yugoslavian mess kit, or Serbian mess kit, depending when it was made. Yeah, it's got a bowl, another little cup on top, a 1 litre water canteen and a metal container. So this has definitely got your 3rd C, your container, wrapped up. You can sterilise water in it very easily because it's 1 litre, 1 tablet, job done. Or you can filter water into your pot, boil it up, you're good to go. Awesome little kit. Also comes with a handy cutlery set. Number 4, cordage. Here I've got about 30 metres or 100 feet of military grade paracord, 550 paracord, with the 7 individual strands on the inside. Good stuff. That combined with the poncho, it's fairly easy to set up yourself a little shelter. Number 5, a combustion source. Lots of people carry lighters, matches, you know, any of that sort of stuff. I've got this. It was given to me by my wife. It's a Gerber fire steel. Better grill's branded, but you know, it does the job, you know. So. That's going to do you no worries. That's a little 5C set. Hope you enjoyed. I'd like to hear your feedback, so any comments you got or questions, you know, use the comments box below, or you can contact me on Twitter. I'm also on Instagram, and the email address is in the channel description. So please like if you liked, and consider subscribing. Take care.